Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video today I'm going to show you how to cancel order on Goat. So let's get into the video. So open up the Goat app and log into your account. So once you've logged into your account, you're on your account here. So what you're going to do is simply hit on your profile. So underneath tab, so below, just click on the profile, and then here if you want to cancel an order, then it's pretty easy. Just make sure that your order is not shipped yet, because if its order has been shipped, then you can no longer cancel it. You just have to return it. But if it's not shipped, then it's pretty easy. Go to your profile tab, hit on the orders option here, and once you hit on the orders option, under purchased, you'll see all the orders that you have paid for. So under purchased, simply select the item that you wish to cancel. I have none here because I didn't have any transactions, purchases recently. So just open up the order that you wish to cancel and then just hit on the cancel option underneath. So it's pretty easy if your item has not been shipped yet. So just hit on the cancel option and then that's it. You can cancel the order. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.